Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at cars at Garage Collective.
What are we looking at here, Henry?
RX-7 FD. Out of Wreckfest. We're going to see an R32 Skyline.
Alright, let's go.
It's a JDM! Pretty cool. Another one.
What is this?
R32 GTR.
Ooh. Why do you like this car?
Because it's really nice and it's one of the brothers of the R34.
What's the R34?
R34 Skyline is one of my favorite cars.
Oh, look at that. Oh man, very good. You know what happens when you show up? Right? You get blessed.
Look at that BMW.
Yeah, CSL.
Like the 968. It's Griffin.
Yeah, it's Griffin.
Okay, let me just... Alright, let's go. My favorite part is the R32s.
What's this?
BMW is like so rare. They only make like, I don't know, I forgot how many, but every 210. I like the BBSs and I like the side skirts.
Cool.
More of the cooler cars are over here. BMW.
Yeah, what kind?
I don't know.
Is it a 2002 or a 1600?
This isn't a 2010.
Ooh, what is this right here?
This is a Volkswagen.
You really like the color combo, right? The interior is slick, right?
Yeah, it's a Martin.
That's a Martin.
Vantage.
Ooh, look at that.
That's really nice. Look at these wheels, BBSs, and Recaro seats.
What are we looking at?
Oh, it's a JDM too. A BMW M3 from like 1990s.
What is this car? A what?
Shelby Cobra.
Shelby Cobra?
427. RC cars.
What is it we're looking at?
BMW RC car.
Alright.
It sure is pretty cool.
Yeah.
But I don't think any of them will fit me.
Take it in.
I like this. Oh, $30. How do I get in?
Oh, you have to hop over, right?
How do I get in?
Hop over.
I'm too short. I like the dash.
Yeah, you like the dash?
Yeah. Oh, here comes the Porsche. Has a little bit of camber in the front, and not as much in the back.
How did they get it to where it's rubbing right there?
Oh, sometimes they use bags. To glue down.
Wow. Look at this engine.
How you like it, bud?
It's pretty cool. Yeah, the stance was really good.
You like that?
Yeah.
Rev it, rev it.
There you go.
A little rev.
It's a nice car, huh?
Especially these over fenders.
Those are all peanut wheels.
Yeah, I meant the fender flares are cool. I've never seen a 2002 in person. Actually, I think I have one.
But no, but what makes this rare
This
is
one's nicer.
turbo. This is a turbo.
I know. The Pippin's actually really getting good.
Yeah, you did a good job.
Look at the tailpipe. This is slammed.
So, this is one of your favorite Miatas?
Yeah.
How come?
Because when you like lower it a bit, the stance looks nice, and it looks nice with the tail and the headlights.